So, Benjamin, it looks like you're sitting next to a bunch of meat birds that just went out on pasture. Where do they live and how does that work?
They live in this chicken tractor 24/7. They move, and once a day they move from where they are at now to over there. Once a day they just go
Okay.
slowly progress to the end of that fence, which is about halfway. And they get fed twice a day from this.
Okay.
And for water, we fill up that blue bucket every few days, and the water is gravity fed through the hose and goes down into the water that fills up where they drink whenever it needs to.
Aha.
And other things for eating are grubs, grass, worms, anything they can find, really.
Just whatever they find. And what kind of food? What's in that food that they eat?
Chicken food,
Or what's not in that food?
GMOs.
And soy. No soy, no GMO, and it's all organic. And how long will they be out on pasture?
At least 8 weeks.
Nice.